2 hours later. Got it all sanded. Right, so this is the finished product. On today's episode, we are gonna try to restore these absolutely insane alloys. We'll see if it's possible. They can't really get any worse than this, because all the paint is literally stripped off, everything is cracking off. Like, look, that's your paint there. I think the car was parked up beside the seawater and the seawater got to it, and there's a lot of salt damage. So we'll see if we can actually, like, look at that. We'll see if we can actually restore them. And yeah, the poor E60 is on the jack stands. It's been sitting like that for a week now. Look at all the sticky stuff from the trees. So yeah, the car is chilling like that. Then once the wheels goes on, there's more to come. And this alloy is the best alloy out of them all, because there's no paint chip. Well, there's few bubble ups there and there, but that should take no time to finish. Where this one, I don't even want to touch it. For an alloy that's not damaged too much, all you really need is to scuff it up. I have the sponges 180, which goes nicely between the grooves.
The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The sky is falling.
First, all you need is a fucking chisel, because no sandpaper will do the job. So now we'll try to chisel all these around, as much paint as we can take it off. Or no, I'll do some, I will put some what you call it, paint stripper. So I'll tape the wheels up first. I'll tape the wheels up. You can use any tape, but I got this leftover aluminum tape for, I don't know, pipes and stuff. No idea, but that's what we're gonna use. It's nice and flexible. Take a piece, put it behind your rim, in, squeeze it down, rip that off, and put it on. Just like that, we do the whole wheel. So the stripper we'll use is this. I only have a bit of it left. We'll spray the rest of it on it. See if it does anything. Probably need some goggles. Safety #1 priority. Now we spray. Now, fucking is better than it, so might as well finish. Now let's see damage done. Like, some of it is peeling back, but a lot of it is still intact, making my life a bit easier. So now if I take a chisel, for example here, oh yes, that's what I want to see, because I need all of that paint off. What about here? Oh yes. Never in my life I sanded wheels with a chisel. This is something new. So after a bit of a steel wool or a steel brush, a bit of a steel brush, we got it even better. All these gaps are pretty much clear. So now we'll do a bit of more chiseling, and then it's gonna be all sanding. Sanding. This is the result we're looking for. I got 2 gaps done, literally bare to the metal, and then I have to do the rest of them. And then we're gonna, first I'll use the gray primer, then we'll use silver wheels, and then for the last, clear lacquer. We'll probably put like 2 coats of lacquer, 1 coat of primer, 1 coat of paint, then the rest is lacquer. So yeah, let's get painting. The day has been way too long now. So now the inside is done. We're gonna flip it right away to the front. So to spray the wheels, first I'll use the gray primer, then we'll use silver wheels, and then for the last, clear lacquer. We'll probably put like 2 coats of lacquer, 1 coat of primer, 1 coat of paint, then the rest is lacquer. So yeah, let's get painting. The day is been.
The sky is falling. 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 The sky is falling.
Now the whole primer is done. Now we're gonna wait for it to dry, see if there's any imperfections. Give it a little sand if it needs to. If not, then we'll go on to the color. Yeah. So this after a paint coat. Looks brand new. Then I'll put some clear coat on top, like 2 coats, and that should be done. My camera is covered in overspray. Anyhow, the last thing, clear coat. Spray that in, and this wheel is done. I've already done one coat. I'm going to do the second coat now. And then that's it. And that's it. Now we let it cook for about an hour, then we can put it on the car. Alright, so this is the finished product. I'll put a picture of what it was before and what it is now, and do the rest of the wheels the same. So I got the back one there finished, beautiful. I need to still put that wheel on. There's still no wheel, and then this one is done as well. The difference is unreal. Like, it was literally peeling everywhere, and now it's like fucking perfect. Actually insane. So yeah, this is how to respray your wheels. Even as bad as mine were, like there was barely any paint on them, still doable.